All right, so today we have a dash cam. Now this one is a 1080 170 degree angle view and also records inside the car. One thing, the benefit of this, it's a small, tiny. I want something to, I don't need a bigger screen. I'm not going to be reviewing any video there. If something happened, I just take the video out and put it right on my computer. So we got the camera. You can see we have the cigarette lighter, adapted cable. Right, this camera has to use 5 volts, so you have to use this adapter. Okay, you cannot use it. Do not cut this or anything else, you will burn it up. So it has also USB cable if you want to plug it in your computer, and it has these tiny things to manage the cable, instructions, even a video, a little stick if you want to put in the camera. Now this one also has a parking mode, so when somebody hits the car, it will turn on automatically, and then the camera start recording, and then automatically turns off. It has a small battery, enough to have those type of record. And remember the way this works: when you start the ignition, it starts record, turn the ignition off, and the camera, so it will turn off after a few seconds. And can handle up to 32 gigabytes. All right, so put that 32 gigabytes, and so let's check it out. All right, so this is all the parts, and we can see the camera right here. All right, so it allows you to move this up, and let's go this way. All right, so that's the camera that goes outside, and that's the one inside. So you can adjust the camera as you see right there. All right, so and the way you see it has battery, even though it's not even plugged in, the way it's going to go this way. All right, it has a real nice resolution micro SD card. It does record sound inside. That's your menus. All right, and it has a real nice, we see here, pretty clear. All right, low battery, so we need to actually plug it in. So let's plug it in, because in reality that's what we want. All right, so automatic starts recording. You see it starts recording because I just and put the power on, and that's what we like. It's in the car. All right, so let's stop the recording, so we can see our side or pointed out. We can see that the hand, and this one is pointed out and over there, so we can change that. So put that in your car, and that's the only thing you need to do. All right, all that shows color, real nice, and I think I like it because it's a small unit, not much into it. Just put it right in your car, put the wire there, and that's the only thing you need. All right, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a nice cool video